Ah, San Choy Bau, you cheeky culinary delight you. Picture this, crisp, refreshing iceberg lettuce cups cradling a treasure trove of stir-fried pork, exploding with flavours that dance, no, leap, onto your tongue. It's a dish that promises adventure from the get-go, much like setting off on an uncharted trail without a compass or a phone without any kind of GPS, with each bite a step into the delicious unknown. Our journey begins with pork loin steaks, semi-frozen, or minced pork, as if anticipating their transformation into bite-sized morsels of joy. The pork then meets a fiery ensemble of garlic, ginger and chili flakes in a sizzling pan. Setting the stage for a symphony of flavours. As the aromatics mingle, whispers of spring onions and shit-ache mushrooms join the fray, each adding their unique notes to the melody. But what's a journey without a bit of complexity? Enter the trio of soy sauce, oyster sauce and rice wine vinegar, creating layers of savoury, umami and tart that envelop the pork in a cloak of delicious mystery. The finale? A sprinkle of Atlantic sea salt, a garnish of mint, if you have it, and the crunch of roasted peanuts, each adding a final touch of freshness, texture and warmth. Served in the natural, crisp embrace of iceberg lettuce, each bite of San Choy Bau is a reminder of the simple joys of exploration, both on the road and on the plate. It's not just a meal, it's a voyage, a bite-sized escapade that's as thrilling as it is satisfying. So grab your lettuce cup, fill it to the brim, and dive in. Here's to the journey, to the unexpected turns, and most importantly, to the delicious discoveries that await in each and every bite. Bon appetit, fellow adventurers.
Ready?
Good night, and may your God go with you.
Okay. You want some green chilies? Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna wrap it up like a burrito. Oh, it's delicious. It's healthy because there's no tortilla.
And mushes.
Yeah. No, I normally put in 3, but you could say 2.
3.
It's 3,
Dripping meaty. Drippies.
okay.
Yes. And mushes.
Now you're gonna put your chili on. You're gonna do the rest. You're gonna do the dressing, okay? Alright, stop the recording now.